Welcome to the next travel videos. On this channel, we review most interesting and unique attractions that are located in different parts of the world. If you like traveling and exploring new places, you can use this channel not only as a tool that provides useful information for your travel list, but here, you can also find useful tips that can enhance your travel experience and save your money and time. If you haven't seen our previous episodes that cover most popular attractions in Rome, Paris, Pompeii, or other popular destinations around the world, please feel free to use links shown at the right top of this screen. Otherwise, you can also find many interesting videos by visiting our channel homepage, or using comments section down below. Now back to the main topic of this episode, which is to overview some interesting facts about West Building of the National Gallery of Art. The National Gallery of Art, located in Washington, D.C., is a treasure trove of artistic brilliance and cultural significance. In this video, we will review some interesting facts about National Gallery of Art while taking a quick look at famous paintings, decorative art, and sculptures located at the West Building of the Gallery. National Gallery of Art is among most popular destinations not only in Washington, D.C., or in the country, but also is a popular destination for art lovers in the world. Note, there is really a lot to see at the entire museum in a day. That is why, if you are planning your visit to the gallery, it might be a good idea to plan at least a couple of days to see most popular exhibits in its all buildings. Let's start with its history. The gallery was established in 1937 by a joint resolution of the United States Congress, gifted to the nation by financier and art collector Andrew W. Mellon. The gallery was officially opened to the public in 1941. The National Gallery of Art boasts an extensive collection that spans Western art from the Middle Ages to the present day. It includes paintings, drawings, prints, photographs, sculpture, medals, decorative arts, and more. The gallery houses iconic works of art, including Leonardo da Vinci's Ginevra de Benci, Johannes Vermeer's Girl with a Pearl Earring, Claude Monet's Woman with a Parasol, Vincent van Gogh's self-portrait, and many other masterpieces by renowned artists. The gallery is divided into two main buildings, the West Building, featuring European art, and the newer East Building, primarily dedicated to modern and contemporary art. The East Building was designed by architect I.M. Pei and opened in 1978. If you will be interested to see a quick overview and highlights of the East Building, you'll be able to watch another episode that we are planning to publish at some time in the future. Hit subscribe and notification buttons right away if you want to see new episodes on this channel. Now, let's continue our journey through the West Building. The West Building is a masterpiece in itself, hosting a stunning array of artistic treasures. The building's design was inspired by classical European architecture, incorporating elements reminiscent of ancient Greek and Roman temples. Its symmetrical layout and grand facade reflect a sense of grandeur and timelessness. The heart of the West Building is its grand rotunda, adorned with marble columns and a domed ceiling. The rotunda serves as a focal point, leading visitors to various galleries housing different art collections. The West Building primarily houses the National Gallery's collection of European art, spanning from the medieval period to the late 19th century. Visitors can explore works by iconic artists such as Rembrandt, Raphael, Titian, El Greco, and more. Within the West Building, visitors can admire a diverse array of artistic mediums, including paintings, sculptures, decorative arts, and drawings, showcasing the evolution of European art through the centuries. The building's layout includes specialized galleries dedicated to specific periods or regions, providing visitors with a comprehensive view of European art history. For instance, there are galleries dedicated to Italian Renaissance art, Dutch and Flemish art, and French Impressionism. The West Building is not just about visual art, it also hosts musical performances, lectures, and various cultural events in its auditorium and spaces, enriching visitors' experiences beyond the visual arts. Among the notable pieces housed in the West Building are Johannes Vermeer's A Lady Writing, Jan van Eyck's portrait of Giovanni di Niccolao Arnolfini and his wife, and many other iconic works that showcase the pinnacle of European artistic achievement. The building offers educational resources such as audio tours, guided tours, and educational programs tailored for visitors of all ages, enhancing the understanding and appreciation of the art on display. Adjacent to the National Gallery, the Sculpture Garden showcases a remarkable outdoor collection, featuring sculptures by artists such as Roy Lichtenstein, Louise Bourgeois, and Claes Oldenburg. One of the remarkable aspects of the National Gallery is that general admission to the permanent collection is free, allowing visitors to access world-class art without any charge. The gallery offers various educational programs, lectures, concerts, film screenings, and workshops for visitors of all ages, fostering a deeper understanding and appreciation of art. In addition to its permanent collection, the National Gallery hosts temporary exhibitions that feature works from other museums and private collections, showcasing specific artists, periods, or themes. The National Gallery of Art stands as a testament to the richness of human creativity and remains a cultural beacon for art enthusiasts worldwide. If you will get a chance to visit the National Gallery of Art, let us know your thoughts and share your experience in the comments below. We would love to see your feedback. We hope that you enjoyed this video and find it useful for planning your trip to National Gallery of Art. Please do not forget to subscribe to our channel. This could help you to find next interesting attraction that you can visit on your next trip. If you liked this video, please give us a like using a button below. Also, if you are planning to go on a trip with your friends or other members of your family, feel free to share this video with them. If you will have any additional questions, feel free to post them in the comments section and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. We will continue sharing our experiences from visiting other major attractions around the world, and we'll share new episodes about other interesting attractions in Washington, D.C., so don't forget to subscribe and do not miss new episodes. Thanks again for watching.